and just kind of like do that. You get it? Let's get to upcycling. Let's just do that instead. You guys, look, I have a lot of feelings right now. I'm very passionate about this upcycle. This skirt, let's just get right into it. So, I thrifted this skirt for nope, $150, and was so excited about it because just look at this. Look at the hem. It's a little bit oversized for me, but when I saw this, the bottom of this skirt, I said I need this skirt, and I know exactly what I'm gonna do to it to make it my dream skirt, because I've actually been seeing, I think her Instagram handle is The Hemming. I'll put it here. When I saw this skirt, I was like, oh my gosh, I need to recreate this immediately. You guys should follow her because she's great. But when I saw this, I was reminded of that skirt, and I'm just obsessed already. So I have a plan. The real struggle of any upcycling project is removing the staples from the tag, from the garment, without ripping it. Okay, only a couple holes. Looks good to me. Here's the plan. This is bad. This is just... I could make this easier on myself, but why would I? Okay. So this is the skirt that I bought, and when I saw there's some stains on it right here, but I saw the bottom, I saw the stains, I saw the tie up here, and was like, this is gonna work. I don't know why I'm doing this. Oh, put my tripod on the skirt. That's not gonna work, is it? You're watching a genius. At least I'm trying. So basically, I'm gonna shorten the skirt and make it short. So basically, I just wanna take all of this fabric away right here, and since there are the stains, I'm just gonna cut probably about here, and then, you know, make the waist a little smaller, or maybe not. Maybe it will look cute just super cinched up like this. Can you, like, do you get what I'm saying? Like this, and just leave all the fabric so that you have those ruffles and like whatever you want to call that. I thought that this might be a pretty quick project. I'm thinking that, well, I don't know. I'm just gonna cut it off here-ish. Yes. Yes? Yeah. And then I'm gonna attach it to like the top so I can still have the tie on the waist up here, and just kind of like do that. Do you get it? Do you want me to re-explain it? Because I'm not going to. What is wrong with me? Oh my gosh. I almost forgot to take a before picture. I always forget. Thank God. Thank God. I didn't cut it yet. Whew, that was a close one. We're good. Boom, baby. Okay, pals. So here's what we're left with. So we're left with the top and the waistband, and then the bottom, which is longer than the top. Spider-Man? So what I'm gonna do, get comfy here, which I've done in a lot of my projects, a lot of them, is I'm going to base the top all the way around the bigger bottom skirt piece up here. And then I'm gonna pull those threads so that it gathers to the length that this is. And then I'm gonna sew that on top of here. That might be it. I don't know, we'll have to see, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. Okay, did that. But if you're new here, let me give you some context if you're a little confused about what I was just trying to say. So, all right. So, no, that's not gonna work. Also, if you're new here, get used to me sitting on the floor and get used to seeing my floor a lot. Okay, so I basted the top, like I said. This is how it looks. The cool thing about it is usually on lighter fabrics, it will kind of pull it and do these ruffles for you. So that was what I was saying before, is you baste it and then you take the ends and you just kind of like pull and it makes these ruffles. And it makes the length or the width or whatever you want to, you know what I'm saying. It made it shorter so that it will fit onto this and be the length of this. And the cool thing about doing something like this and like fitting it to something else smaller is you kind of can't mess it up because it's all like ruffly and organic looking and it doesn't have to be perfect. So like when you're fitting it on the new smaller piece of whatever you're doing, you can kind of just like ruffle it as you go. And I mean, you do have to make sure that it all looks even, but if you want to live life like I do, on the edge, you know, you can just kind of do it as you go. Gotta love it. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out, ooh, look at this. This could be like a cool accessory. Maybe not. So basically what I'm going to do to stitch this on is I'm going to just take this, leave it raw up here, and then just plop it right on top of the bottom of this and stitch it right on. Okay, let's see how that goes. This is what it looks like now. So I did what I said and I stitched that basted seam on top of the, what is this? The waist? Let me turn it inside out. I had to baste the end of the waistline. So like right here, I had to baste that and pull it in a little bit too, because this bottom piece was a little bit too small for this top piece now. So I did that because I knew it would just be super ruffly anyway. And then I finished off the inside, just serged off the bottom. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm like really excited to try this on right now. I can't wait. I'll show you how it looks. Out a little bit. I love this skirt. Like you can wear it so many ways. I just ripped through my entire closet, I swear, just styling it. It was a lucky find because I've been wanting one of these types of skirts for a while and just got lucky. So always keep your eye out at the thrift store. I might have to do a styling video pretty soon. This is very exciting. Guys, thanks a kabillion for watching. Hope you liked this one. Hope it can apply to a skirt that you might have or might want to make. This would be really a fun project to make from scratch too. Using that basting technique, just taking a really wide piece of fabric and just kind of doing it however. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Peace.